O, sige nga, Diva, bakit hindi mo naisipan sumali ng Binibinis?
Ano ba? Tuloy mo naman ako. Ayan.
DM, teka lang.
Ano yun,
Yun.
Mars? Ano yun?
Naisip mo ba sumali this year for Binibinis?
This year, naisip ko, pero I realize I'm not ready. I'm not fully ready. Physically, mentally, spiritually. So, if gusto kong jumoy na sobrang tolong ready na ako para sure ball. Walang pagsisunan. So, sana if God will permit me to next year.
Ayaw mo nung parang paulit-ulit sumasali?
Ako, ayoko. Parang gusto ko kasi, ewan ko, ako pag meron akong gustong gawin, I wanna give it my all para isang shot lang. Alam mo yun, parang, I believe in second chances, pero mas maganda na if
Birthday
you're
celebrants,
ready,
everyone,
then
no?
you're gonna get it to the limit.
Kamusta yung birthday mo?
Dito,
dito.
sobrang saya. First time ko to. I mean, first time after a while. First time ko makaselebrate with the kids. And may thing ko sa mga tao may cancer kasi di ba laking lola ako for all my life. And then she died 2 years ago because of cancer. So, alam ko yung pakiramdam talaga to have a family, relative na may ganun sila. So, I have a thing for them.
May questions ako na medyo, nanood ka ba Miss Universe?
Yes.
Ano masasabi mo sa gown ni Emma? Okay lang kung hindi ka magko-comment, pero okay lang din.
Nag-comment na siya.
She looked gorgeous.
Di ba nagpa-pageant ka din? So, kung ikaw ang bibigyan ng ganong gown, okay, magiging masaya ka.
Yes. Not my choice of gown. I have this design of gown in my mind that I really want to wear. So, pero hindi siya pangit. Tapos, ewan ko kasi si MJ kasi ang ganda niya eh. She's perfect, like the walk, the body, the face. So, hindi kasi talaga yung gown na nakikita ko, yung buong siya. And she really carried it really well. So,
So, national costume niya. Ano masasabi?
I haven't-
Pinahirapan natin si
I
Diva.
haven't seen it. I swear to God, hindi ko siya nakita. Birthday mo ba? Hindi ko nakita yung costume na, national costume.
Ganyan, no?
Bet. Perfect. Hindi ko nakita. Parang may something there.
Hindi, kasasali kang binibining ano yun, Universe, International, ang gusto mong title, Universe talaga.
Talaga. How tall are you ba?
I'm 5'7" and a half.
Pwede na yun, eh, no?
Si Nayanita nga, 5'5 lang eh. Si Miss
Sino?
India, 5'5 lang.
Talaga?
Oo.
Anong sagot mo sa question sa final?
What is your country's greatest contribution to the world?
My country's biggest contribution to the world is the people, are the people, the most vulnerable communities, because I believe that Filipinos are known to be so hardworking, and because of that, some
Okay,
people
kids,
really
magsisimula na
excel
tayo, ha?
into
Aabutan na kayo ni
specific
Kuya
fields
Miguel
in
at
other
ni Kuya
countries, and
Sancho
that makes us really proud,
Delgado.
and I think
After
that's
sa
one
kami, syempre,
greatest
ibang
thing
stage
that
na
our
naman magkakabot sa inyo.
can contribute to the
Okay,
world.
tanggapin niyo yan, tanggapin niyo na.
Thank you, Diva.
Kuya
Happy
Sancho at
birthday.
Kuya Miguel.